Hello and welcome to the channel Program It Yourself. And today we are going to talk about constants in Python. So what are constants? Constants are fixed values and they can be numbers and strings, and their values do not change during the execution of the program. So we have two types of constants, numeric constants and string constants. Numeric constants can have a positive value, negative value. They can be a whole number or fraction of a number. String constants can be written inside single quotes or double quotes. So let's explain the numeric constants and string constants with some examples. So I'm going to open my Python IDLE shell and I'm going to type some numeric values over here and do some operations like addition with these. So when I write 6 plus 7, it gives me the output, which is 13. I can also do calculations with negative values like minus 8 into 4. I'll have the output. I can also work with fraction values like 6.8 plus 7.6. It gives me the output. So let's try some string constants with some examples over here. I can write a string value inside double quotes, and the Python IDLE shows me the output. I can write this same string inside single quotes, and I'll get the output. Now what if I have to use quotes within quotes? I can do that easily. I have to start with like single quote and write some value inside it using double quotes, like for example my name. End it with single quotes. So I have the value which was written inside single quotes and has another value written with double quotes inside it. I can also do the reverse. I can write a sentence with double quotes and have single quotes inside it. So this is also valid for Python. Now what if I want to use single quotes inside a single quotes? Let's see how that works. So here Python gives me an error. It thinks that the single quote I started before hello has ended with this single quote which is before Rohit. So now to use single quotes within single quotes, we are going to use escape sequence characters. Escape sequence characters are non-printable characters and they're used with backslash notation. So I'll use this single quotes inside a single quotes by using a backslash. So let's see how it's done. I'm going to write hello. I'm going to write the next single quote using the escape sequence, which is this backslash. And again, I have to use a single quote now, so I'll use the escape sequence and write the single quote. And end it normally with the single quote I started with. So now Python does not give me an error because I use the escape sequence. Now similarly, I can do this escape sequence, use this escape sequence with double quotes. I'll write hello. So now also Python did not give me an error. So now what if I had to write a multi-line string? I can easily do that using the triple single quotes or triple double quotes. So let's see how we do that. I'm going to type single quote 3 times and I'm going to write hello. I can now press enter for new line and write the next word. And I have to end it with the triple single quotes I started this with. And when I press enter, I get the output with the escape sequence character printed \n, which stands for new line. Similarly, this same thing can be done with triple double quotes. And end it with triple double quotes. So it gave me the output hello 1 2 3 with the escape sequence character for new line in each of them. Now there are a few more escape sequence characters which we can look at. We already know that \n is for a new line. \t gives space between two words. And what if I have to print a backslash inside my string code? I'll use backslash and then write another backslash to print that the second backslash. So thank you for watching this video on constants. In the next video, we'll be talking about variables in Python. And if you have any questions regarding this video, you can comment below or email us at programityourselfnow@gmail.com. And please like this video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe. Thank you.